In this video, we are going to talk about sales funnel for coaches and consultant. So if you are a coach or consultant, stay till the end of this video because I'm going to give you pre-built sales funnel and I'm also going to give you one-on-one consulting call with me for free just in bonuses. So without wasting any time, let's dive into this video. Hello everyone, my name is Hansu and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Please give me a comment if you like or dislike my videos so I can improve my videos in the future and create better content for you. So before we go deep into this topic, let's talk about what is sales funnel. Sales funnel is a simple process which helps us in converting a prospect, a random person on the internet, and convert them into a buying customer. Now the thing is, how can we use the sales funnel in our coaching and consulting business? So now let me take you to my screen and show you the whole sales funnel process which you can copy into your business. So as you can see into my screen, this is the basic sales funnel strategy. The first part is the visitors. Now you can create content on multiple platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook or any other, or you can start running ads to go in front of the people. So this is where people will saw your content for the first time. The second step will be the lead. In this step, we will collect their information. We'll take their email address and name so we can follow up with them in the future. The third part will be the opportunities. In this step, we'll show them our services, how our coaching and consulting can help them achieve their goal. So they will be like, this is the thing I want to get where I want to go. So this will be the opportunities, and the fourth part will be becoming a customer for your business. Not just a single customer for a single time, becoming a customer for long term. So let me show you a different sales funnel process screenshot which I have created for you. So as you can see, the first part will be the traffic. As I have told you, you can create content on multiple platforms like YouTube, Instagram or whatever, wherever you want, or you can start running ads. Okay, and when someone will click on your link, we will take them to this squeeze page. In this page, we will offer them something for free. You can offer them a webinar, you can offer them a cheat sheet, you can offer them a free training, so that they are willing to give you their email address, their information. So in this page, it's a win-win situation. You are giving them something for free which is going to benefit them, and then you are collecting their email. So in the next step, even if they don't buy from you, you still have their email address and you can follow up with them and show them your content, or you can show them your services again and again through email marketing. So once they have given us their email address, we start following up with them, and then we send them to the sales page, the training page. In this page, you are going to show them how your services can help them achieve their goal. You can show them a webinar if you want, you can show them a training, you can give them a training, or you can create a simple sales page where you are going to show you how your coaching and consulting help them achieve their goal. In this page, you can show them testimonials, what your clients think about you. In this page, you can give them a discount. In this page, you are going to offer them whatever you want. Okay, so in this page, we will do the selling, and the people who will be interested, they will click on the button, and then we will take them to the checkout page where we'll collect all the billing information and the information we need to charge them. So this is the simple sales funnel process for coaches and consultant. If you are a coach or consultant and you want to try sales funnel for your business and you have no technical knowledge or any coding knowledge, don't worry. There is a software called ClickFunnels which helps you create sales funnel with just drag and drop software. And I have dropped the link in the description where you can go and take your 14 days free trial from the link in the description. And if you take your 14 days free trial from the link in the description, I'm going to give you pre-built sales funnel for coaching and consulting and 13 more bonuses. And I'm also going to give you one-on-one consulting call with me for free. All you need to do is take your 14 days free trial and give us a mail, and we'll get back to you with all your bonuses. Thank you so much for watching my video till now, and please give me a comment whether you got some value or not, so I can improve my videos in the future, and I'll see you in the next one.